In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify into your website, streamlining your online sales process with just a few straightforward steps. Whether you're selling a single product or a whole collection, adding the Shopify Buy button to your site is a powerful way to boost your business's online capabilities. Let's dive in and break down these steps to make it as easy and efficient as possible. First things first, we need to ensure that the Buy button sales channel is added to your Shopify admin. This option is wonderfully accessible and available even if you're using the starter plan. Simply head over to your Shopify dashboard, and from here, you'll find the Buy button sales channel. By integrating it, you're essentially opening a gateway that allows you to sell directly from your website without customers ever needing to leave your page. This convenience can significantly enhance your sales process and keep user engagement high. Once you have the Buy button sales channel ready, you'll want to navigate directly to it. In this section, you'll select Create Buy button. You'll then be prompted to choose whether you're embedding a single product or an entire collection. This flexibility means you can tailor your website to spotlight individual items or showcase your entire range, depending on your current marketing strategy or sales goals. Once your product selection is made, the next important step involves customization. Here, you have the chance to make sure that the button aligns perfectly with the look and feel of your website. You'll start by choosing a layout. Options like Basic, Classic, or Full View offer different visual experiences. Then, decide on the button action. Would you prefer your buyers to add items directly to the cart, proceed to a direct checkout straight away, or view the product in more detail first? This choice will depend largely on how you want the shopping flow to work on your site. Styling is also crucial. This is where you get creative. Choose colors, sizes, and fonts that match your site's design. Don't forget to adjust the cart appearance to maintain a seamless visual experience for your customers. Once you are satisfied with the customization, it's time to click Next, and you'll be provided with the embed code. This code allows your Shopify Buy button to integrate directly into your site, connecting the two platforms seamlessly. Take this code and paste it into your website's HTML at your desired location. This could be on a prominent homepage spot, a specific product page, or wherever your analytics suggest is the best place for engagement. Sometimes you'll need to place the script code in the header with the div tag where you want the button to appear, ensuring everything functions smoothly. Finally, it's crucial to test your integration. Make sure the button appears where you intended and that all checkout functions work seamlessly. By taking the time to verify this, you can ensure a slick and professional experience for your customers. And there you have it, a fully integrated Shopify Buy button ready to enhance your online store.